Assalamualaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma, and the book which we are doing, Maths of Nursery. Dear students, today we are going to count numbers and have fun with 19 and 20 numbers. Let's start. Dear students, activity number 1 पर देखिए पेज नंबर 33 पर. Count the objects and circle the correct number in the book. So let's start, students. Look at these yellow stars. Let's count together. Dear students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. There are 20 stars. So students, circle the number 20 in the box. Dear students, activity number 1 में हमारे पास कुछ पिंक जूस के ग्लासेस मौजूद हैं. तो क्या करेंगे स्टूडेंट? आइए मेरे साथ मिलकर काउंट कीजिए. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Excellent! There are 19 glasses. So students, circle number 19 in the box. वेरी नाइस स्टूडेंट. अब चलते हैं हम अपनी सेकेंड एक्टिविटी की तरफ. सर्कल द 19 रेड बकेट्स. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास ब्लू और रेड बकेट्स मौजूद है. करना क्या है कि रेड बकेट्स को काउंट करना है और 19 रेड बकेट्स को सर्कल कर देना है. वाओ, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. Some buckets are red and some buckets are blue. Dear students, let's count only red buckets. So let's start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So circle the number 19 buckets. Very nice. Now it's time to trace it. Right. First trace number 19. Down, round and stop. Very nice. Now trace the number 20. 20. Excellent work. Dear students, you did a great job today. You learned 19 and 20 number. Keep practicing and keep smiling. Bye-bye.